Now we'll stick with Insta360 stuff, and we'll stop in a few minutes and check that out. Let's get some speed. Whoops, let's put it in gear, huh? Drive. And then get a little speed. And then we'll try the dual channel, which supposedly makes the exterior sound with the mic. I'll be interested to see what this ends up sounding like, because the noise, the AI noise correction on the unit, the mics on the unit itself is really amazing. Like, this is the best sounding action cam I've ever heard. I've only had a couple, but I mean, it's so much better than my GoPro 7 that even though the GoPro 7 on a bright sunny day in pure action cam straight ahead 4K mode might take a sharper picture, it will not have the dynamic range, and the sound will absolutely suck compared to this. I find this to be a really awesome solution for stuff like this. Reframing later isn't too bad. It's another whole story, but anyway, get into that later. But the sound on this is amazing. But when I rode the motorcycle the other day, did a bunch of video just with the onboard mics, at 50-60 miles an hour, there's not much wind noise, but it kind of played like the whirring sound of the engine. You could sort of hear that. You couldn't really hear any exhaust sound, which makes sense, I guess. It's up in front here, the exhaust is out back, and the AI is doing what it can. So I'll be interested to see if the mic gets any exhaust sound at all, and what the dual channel gets us. If it gets us anything, but we'll test that after we test a little highway speed. Again, remember, no chin hood or chin cowl or whatever that thing is called on my helmet right now. It's actually in the, no, I think I left it in the garage. I usually have it in the back trunk back there, the big yellow or the big ugly orange box. If you're new to this motorcycle, this is the Honda NC750, the ultimate boring dad motorcycle, not least which because it has this frunk where you can put stuff like groceries. So I think people are correct in saying that women actually don't find motorcycles very cool. If you want to attract women, get a dog, like a golden retriever. However, if you buy a Honda NC750, your wife will thank you, because you will do some of the grocery shopping. Get a gallon of milk and a whole bunch of other crap in there. You can get like 2 good-sized bags of groceries in there. So this is 45 miles an hour here. Let's get up to, let's go, this is a 55 mile an hour road. People tend to drive about 60 miles an hour, so let's hit 60. Plenty of daylight, but I'm pretty sure you shouldn't be burning out here, dude. It is really dry. What are you up to, man? Wow, there were forest fires up here not long ago, and it hasn't rained for weeks, and there's a decent breeze, and that idiot has got a brush fire burning in his yard. I think there's a burn. I'd have to look that up when I stop on the phone. I think burning right now is illegal. It rained a little bit a week or so ago, but there it is.